More than 1,000 households and a host of schools in rural communities across the country are benefiting from clean water thanks to a simple but effective filter designed in Australia and made in Laos. According to the Australia's ambassador to the Lao PDR, John Williams, the ability to build the water filters from inexpensive, locally sourced materials means the technology has extensive reach into remote, rural communities, making it highly suitable for a country like Laos.
The technology received a stamp of approval from Australia's ambassador to the Lao PDR, John Williams, on an official visit to the Abundant Water Workshop in Houayhong village, Chanthabouly district. It is said that the Clean Water Initiative, led by the Australian non-profit group Abundant Water, seeks to empower communities to better manage their water and sanitation needs. Abundant Water's innovative clay pot filters are able to remove waterborne diseases like dysentery, gastro-enteritis, cholera, and typhoid from water. The filters are designed so as to use both available materials and the skills of local community members in the construction and improvement processes.
I'm extremely proud of the work that Abundant Water are doing here. They're a small organisation receiving small amounts of private funding from Australian citizens, private Australian citizens, mums and dads in Australia. But they're an organisation because of a clever technology that they've adapted to use in the Lao PDR that is potentially going to have a very big impact in terms of providing poor communities in remote areas with access to clean drinking water in their schools and in their homes, and helping them through that to fight a lot of waterborne diseases that are a major problem here in the Lao PDR.
Ambassador Williams said the innovation had the potential to reach many more communities as prospective partners recognize the value of investing in clean water.
So it's an excellent project. They're working with a number of very good partners, both Lao organisations, NPAs, non-profit associations, and international NGOs, and with the Lao government to make sure that the project is working well and that they can expand and support many more communities that would benefit from clean water throughout the Lao PDR.
In partnership with quality aid organizations like Child Fund, Helvetis, PDR, and CDEA, Abundant Water is helping to break the cycle of disease, illness, and poverty caused by waterborne diseases.
The technology was researched in the Australian National University Engineering Department, but that was just an idea, just the theory. The practice has been implemented in Laos with Lao partner organisations, Lao potters and Lao communities to make sure it works in the local community. No one person can say that they were responsible for everything, but if you look at any one part of the project, many people work together to successfully implement it. So what you see today is the result of many people working together with the intention to help Lao people in remote areas have safe, clean drinking water.
According to the engineer, his approach transfers knowledge and expertise and develops local capability and ownership, increasing the likelihood of ongoing use of the technology. He said, adding that Abundant Water is training village potters in our water filters technology and microfinanced business approaches. Child Fund and Abundant Water are making the most of the learning opportunities presented by this collaboration to try to develop a model that can be scaled up to support other poor communities in Laos. The Australian engineer and Abundant Water team is now developing a model for the promulgation of low-cost programs, enabling anyone in need anywhere in the world to access clay pottery water filter technology, so they too can benefit from safe drinking water. It is disclosed that Abundant Water receives much of its funding from Rotary Australia and welcomes private donations from Australia and abroad.